Making anti-aging serum formulation with essential oil. BF1 2 hours of free training workshop for basic knowledge about making anti-aging serum with pure essential oil. BF1 free training workshop. BF1 provide free training workshop for hair care, beauty care, skin care, essential oil and aromatherapy. We provide you the basic knowledge, formulation and ingredients mixing for free. The anti-aging movement is a social movement devoted to eliminating or reversing aging, or reducing the effects of it. A substantial portion of the attention of the movement is on the possibilities for life extension, but there is also interest in techniques such as cosmetic surgery which ameliorate the effects of aging rather than delay or defeat it. Two popular proponents of the anti-aging movement include Ray Kurzweil, who says humanity can defeat aging through the advance of technology, and Aubrey de Grey, who says that the human body is a very complicated machine and thus can be repaired indefinitely. Other scientists and significant contributors to the movement include molecular biologists, geneticists, and biomedical gerontologists such as Gary Ruvkin, Cynthia Kenyon, and Arthur D. Levinson.